When you see a tag that says mini or compact, does it mean the same thing? It doesn't. This is a mini petunia, but it surely is not a compact flower.
Not at all. So these are their proven winners. Vista series, both get extremely large, thick, very vigorous growers. Yeah, not compact at all. They're
so the
full.
Pink one is the full bubblegum series. It's the larger size.
And we love them.
This yellow one, including all these other colors that you see here, those are all of the mini series.
Look how full these are. They are solid performers. They really just fill out. You get solid color, so don't be tripped up with the mini. There's nothing mini other than that size of that flower.
Right, because that is one plant in a 10-inch pot. And when you're combining plants that have the same type of vigor to them, you can do it and they'll kind of merge together. Whereas if you plant something compact compared to something that's more vigorous.
They're mixed. You have to be really, really careful what you're mixing. If you're doing a combo planter, I would stick with just the Vista series, because you stick a geranium in here, you can see it's just going to get snuffed right out. So these are going to win at the end of the day. You have to have something that's very vigorous in that growth to compete.
And pot size also makes a huge difference. So these are in a very deep 10-inch pot. Whereas the one over here, same exact variety.
So one plant, again, but I'm all the way back here. That plant is all the way back here and coming up through the salvia. So just that difference in the soil volume.
It is. But you can also see just in this picture, do you see how this one has a little bit more green going on it? They're stretching out a little bit more, where when it's in the smaller planter, they're much more tight together. You can just see the color difference of how that looks. But really great performers. Again, vigor is a huge thing. And just because the tag says mini doesn't mean that it's going to be a small, tiny plant.
Right on. So we love them. So that's the Proven Winners series. They're both Vistas, the mini Vistas and the regular Vista series. We absolutely love them. You can be rest assured that they're going to be solid performers that are going to be awesome in your garden or give you that curb appeal that you're looking for at your house.
Absolutely. Make sure you hit that follow button, because we have lots of tips and tricks. You can check us out on our Sharkey's Greenhouse YouTube channel.
All right. Thanks for joining us.
Bye.
Bye-bye.